You know, your conscious mind thinks about things, like when you're learning to drive, it says, you know, put the foot on the brake and then slow it down and turn this and slow it and you do this and, you know, put your signal on and there's endless kinds of things that go through the conscious mind until ultimately the subconscious mind gets all of the suggestions, and then you drive. Your subconscious mind takes you where you want to go. You see a red light, you stop. You don't say, red, right foot, better put it on the brake, better slow. You don't do any of that. Like even you sitting, all of you sitting right here in this room. You know, you got here, you sit down, nobody told you how to sit, where to put your hands, how to do this, you know, how to listen. You just do all of this subconsciously. Your subconscious mind gets programmed all the time, and the witness is where you want to be able to step outside and look at what it is that you have trained your subconscious mind to do. I wrote a whole book about this called Excuses Be Gone, about retraining this habitual mind of yours that does nothing but continuously have you redo the same things over and over and over again, where you want to learn to just walk a different way in your life and reach. And the way that you do this is by starting to witness what it is that you're doing. And one of the suggestions I give to everyone at my talks is this, to recognize that the last 5 minutes of your day before you go to sleep at night are 5 of the most important minutes that you live all day long. Because this is the time when you are preparing your subconscious mind, which is most comfortable with your unconscious mind. Your subconscious mind learns the most when it is in its unconscious state, in your sleep state. So as you're about to go into sleep and your mind is busy doing all of the kinds of things that it does, you are really preparing the universe to offer you up experiences that match up to whatever you're placing into your subconscious mind. And this is a hard concept for people to get, but this is how the world works. This is how the universe works. And I suggest to you that you don't spend the last 5 minutes of your day reviewing all of the things that you don't like, and all of the things that you don't want, and all of the people that upset you, and all of the hurts that you have, and all of the reasons that things are not going well, and all of your illnesses, and all of the things that you can't do, and how sorry you feel for yourself, and all of the. You don't want to do that because you're about to marinate for the next 8 hours in your unconscious mind, which is most comfortable with your subconscious mind. And then when you awaken, you see your subconscious mind cannot make a distinction between what you're thinking about and what you're experiencing in your day and in your life. It just says, if you're thinking it, that must be what you want, and I'll just offer you up experiences that match up to what you're thinking. So you want to be really careful as you go off to sleep at night to make sure that you are placing into your subconscious mind, which is about to enter its unconscious state, only that which you want to materialize and manifest tomorrow morning when you awaken and throughout the entire day. And so many people make the mistake of using the last 5 minutes before they enter into this 8-hour marinating period by going over the things that they don't like, that they don't want, that shouldn't have happened, that really upset them, and so on. You want to make the shift. This is from the book of Job. In a dream, in a vision of the night, when deep sleep falls upon men, while slumbering in their beds, then he opens the ears of men and seals their instruction. Then he opens the ears of men and seals their instruction while they are slumbering in their beds. Job 33, verses 15 and 16. So while you're sleeping, you're getting instructions. But first you've got to place it in your mind and then experience it and witness it. And as you go to sleep at night, you witness everything working out perfectly. I am healthy. I'm going to be walking. I'm going to be in a divine relationship. I'm going to be, attracting the right prosperity. I'm going to have divine relationships with everyone I encounter. I'm going to have the most marvelous day tomorrow. I'm going to help 25 people. Whatever it is, you just place into your imagination, feel what that feels like, and then go off to sleep and receive your instructions. Cultivate the witness.